for having us. There's a lot of people my age that struggle with anxiety and depression. And so my question to you is, if you had the ability to whisper in the ear an advice or a piece or a lesson to every single young person in the world, what would it be and why?
Karsa, anxiety, depression. There's too much self-centered attitude. Me. Then anxiety, suspicion. The antidote of self-centered attitude, altruism, and consider rest of the human being, one human community. Children, young age, they don't care what others' nationality, what others' religious faith. Pray together. We all have same right to achieve happy life. With the help of technology, now we, 7 billion human beings, one community. So we should develop sense of oneness of human being. Now our education, existing education field, we should include how to tackle our destructive emotion. So in this respect, I want to criticize these white people. You see, you introduce modern education. It's very much oriented about material value. We should include education about our mind. For example, myself, my main daily practice is altruism. A very important factor for physical health, according to my own experience. Now I'm 84 years old, but my mind, some of my friends used to express, is quite young, like young. So this is nothing special. If I too much emphasis, I'm Tibetan, I'm Buddhist, I'm Dalai Lama, then you yourself actually isolated by yourself. Then more anxiety. So altruism, very, very helpful to reduce self-centered attitude. That automatically reduce anxiety, frustration. Thank you.